all agreed? Yes. We are agreed. Thank you. Turning now to Group 8. This is on listed authorities, their functions and reporting arrangements. Can I call Amendment 43 in the name of Claire Adamson, grouped with Amendments 44, 30 and 45. Claire Adamson to move Amendment 43 and speak to all the amendments in this group.
Thank you very much, Presiding Officer. Section 15 of the bill requires listed authorities to report on the actions they have taken to meet the UNCRC requirements and on what steps they have taken more widely towards the progressive realisation of children's rights. In order to drive the proactive culture change that we all want, it will be important that these reports are acted upon as quickly as possible. Whilst listed authorities will of course be responsible for taking the actions identified in the reports, it will also be important that ministers are aware of these reports and their contents. Amendments 43 and 44 will ensure that the reports from listed authorities are shared with Scottish ministers as soon as is practicable after they are published, so that the Scottish Government is aware of their contents. I believe that this will further support the proactive realisation of children's rights in the bill that the bill promotes. I understand that there are some issues with revisions under the 2014 Children and Young People Act, an act that I was a committee member of as it went through the Parliament, and with similar reporting duties in its listed authorities without a corresponding duty to send a copy to ministers. It would seem plainly obvious to me that it would be in everyone's interest for this to happen as a matter of course. I'm not quite sure why it doesn't, but providing for it to happen in statute makes it clear what is expected of listed authorities. I move Amendment 43. I'm keen to listen to hear Mary Fee's arguments in support of Amendment 45, and if I possibly can pause a moment, Presiding Officer, to commend Mary Fee for her commitment to children's rights, but also to the rights of workers, and particularly Gypsy travellers over her time in this Parliament. I wish her well for ongoing endeavours. It is worth noting that it will not be the first or indeed the last time the Parliament has come together to provide a statutory underpinning to guide and provided direction on how guidelines should be drafted and developed. I'm likely to be happy to support Mary Fee's amendment as well, and the Government's, which I think are an essential tidy up of amendments, but important ones that apply.